Hello everyone, welcome back to Frank's Middle Farms. We've got day 34, I think, on Westwood Farm. Sorry about my hiccups. So we're starting mowing this little field with the woods in the corner. So got the headlands off and we're on doing the straights. So on the fence there. Then the New Holland is just get in there, put onto rake, ready to row it up. We've got all the sheep clipped now and they're all back out into the field. We'll be getting some more lambs in for auction soon. We had a good price for the other ones, so hopefully we'll get some more good trade. Everything else I think is just parked up. And the Ford will be going on the wrapper soon. Cows are in there, happy away. Soon be time to move. Well, when we've mown the wood field, we'll probably put them, well, in another week or so, we'll put them in there, in that little field there at the side of the road with the bull. And then they should be alright in there for a while. Until we've, until a bit more grass grows in there. So, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. And see you in the next one. Bye.